Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll dive into one of the most common goals in meal planning, weight loss. Meal planning for weight loss isn't about eating less, it's about eating smarter. It's about fueling your body with the right foods, in the right portions, at the right times, so you can achieve your goals sustainably. Let's start with the foundation, creating a calorie deficit. Weight loss happens when you consume fewer calories than your body burns. But that doesn't mean starvation, it means balance. A small deficit of 300 to 500 calories per day is enough to lose about 1 pound per week without feeling deprived. Step 1. Know your daily calorie needs. Use your total daily energy expenditure, or TDEE, as your baseline, then reduce it slightly to create that healthy deficit. Step 2. Focus on nutrient density. Choose foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber that keep you full and energized. Think lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. The goal is quality, not just quantity. Step 3. Balance your macronutrients. A simple structure for weight loss is 40% carbs, 30% protein, and 30% fats, though this can vary based on your lifestyle. Protein is especially important because it supports muscle retention and reduces hunger. Step 4. Plan your meals ahead. When you plan and prep your meals, you eliminate last-minute decisions that lead to overeating or poor choices. Make a weekly menu, grocery shop intentionally, and prep your ingredients in advance. Step 5. Use portion control. Serve meals on smaller plates, pre-portioned snacks, and be mindful of serving sizes. Use visual cues like your hand to guide portions, your palm for protein, your fist for carbs, and your thumb for fats. Step 6. Include fiber-rich foods. Fiber slows digestion, helps control appetite, and supports gut health. Load up on vegetables, beans, lentils, oats, and chia seeds. Step 7. Stay hydrated. Sometimes thirst disguises itself as hunger. Aim for 8 to 10 cups of water daily, and try drinking a glass before meals to reduce overeating. Step 8. Plan healthy snacks. Smart snacks like Greek yogurt, nuts, or fruit can help stabilize your blood sugar and prevent binge eating later. Step 9. Don't fear healthy fats. Foods like avocado, olive oil, nuts, and seeds keep you satisfied longer and support hormone balance. Just watch portions. Fats are calorie-dense, so a little goes a long way. Step 10. Simplify your meals. You don't need complicated recipes. Stick to simple combinations like grilled protein, whole grains, and colorful vegetables. The simpler your meals, the easier it is to stay consistent. Step 11. Allow flexibility. Restrictive diets often backfire. Leave room for your favorite foods in moderation. It keeps your plan enjoyable and sustainable. Step 12. Track your progress, not just your weight. Pay attention to your energy, mood, digestion, and how your clothes fit. These indicators often improve before the number on the scale changes. Step 13. Prepare for challenges. Social events, cravings, and busy days will happen. Keep backup meals or snacks ready, like prepped salads or frozen healthy dinners, so you stay on track even when life gets hectic. Step 14. Eat mindfully. Slow down, savor each bite, and stop when you feel satisfied, not stuffed. This builds awareness and control. Step 15. Focus on consistency, not perfection. Small, steady changes build habits that last. Even if you slip up, just return to your plan at the next meal. Progress is made through persistence. Here's your quick recap. Create a moderate calorie deficit, prioritize nutrient-dense foods, plan meals in advance, and stay flexible. Weight loss meal planning is about nourishment, not deprivation. When you eat with awareness and intention, results follow naturally. In the next lesson, we'll build on this by exploring meal planning for muscle gain, designed to help you fuel performance and build lean strength. Let's keep going.